Finally! The gold is safe! Here, at the foot of Dragon Rock, no one will find it.
Only a brave person will come to this place.
The Navy is too close! Piracy is illegal, and my ship is sinking! I must hide the map. If the Navy catches me, the map must live! Goodbye, my treasure! I hope a brave person finds you one day! It is a map! An old pirate map!
Look, it says, "The treasure is hidden under the red rock. Who are you? If you find this, the gold is yours." We are rich! We are going to find pirate gold!
This is my Super Compass 3000. It is never wrong. It says we must go north.
North, let's go! Dad, we are walking in a circle. I see this purple flower for the third time. Ugh.
Impossible! The compass is spinning like a fan!
Mike, what is in your pocket? Whoa. Just my magnet for collecting old nails.
Mike, the magnet is breaking my compass. We are not going north. We are just walking around you.
Oh, sorry, Dad.
Hey! Give it back! That is our map!
Don't worry. I have my Monkey Translator 2.0. Give it back!
Ouch. David, move aside. Let a professional handle this. Hey, little monkey, look at this. Do you want a delicious banana sandwich?
Hey, that was my lunch! It was a business lunch, Mike. We have the map back. Let's go!
Help! Quicksand! I am sinking! I am going to the center of the earth!
Dad, it's just a mud puddle.
No, it's quicksand! I'm sinking fast!
David, calm down. It's not that deep.
Really? You are correct. It is not deep. It is not dangerous, but I am still stuck. It is very heavy.
Okay, everyone, on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, pull!
I'm okay. Just a little muddy.
Ouch! They are biting me. I am so itchy.
Everyone, stay together!
They're everywhere!
Get them off!
We have to move!
Don't worry! I have my electronic mosquito repeller!
A cow? Why is there a cow in the jungle?
Maybe she likes your music, David.
Go away, Mrs. Cow! I am not your friend! Stop following me! We're not friends! Please, just leave me alone!
I think she wants to be a treasure hunter too. Let's call her Bessie.
Be quiet. This cave is very mysterious. Is anyone here?
Who said that? Who is following us?
It's just an echo, Dad. Are there pirates?
Pirates?
Pirates? Pirates?
Look! The red rock. It looks like a giant sleeping dragon.
This is it! The X is right here, at the foot of the dragon rock! Oh no, the treasure is under this stone. Okay, family, let's push!
We're coming, David! We're ready to help! Let's do it!
It's too heavy, Dad. It is not moving.
Keep pushing, Mike, we've got this.
My feet are slipping. It's not moving.
All right, take a break.
It is impossible. We need a tractor or a giant machine.
Maybe I can build a crane? It will take 5 or 6 hours.
Bessie, move! I am thinking! Shoo, Bessie, go on! What? It's a secret mechanism!
Bessie did it! She found the secret button! She is a super cow!
Okay, here.
Hurry, Mike! Got it! Yes, now let's see.
Captain Redbeard's treasure. We finally found it!
Open it! Open it!
We are not just tourists anymore. We are real treasure hunters! Look at these pearls. They are beautiful.
Here, Bessie. This is for you. You are a real treasure hunter.
You deserve it, Bessie. You are the strongest cow in the jungle.
And the most stylish cow. Moo!
Okay, explorers, it is time to go. We have the gold, and Bessie has her pearls.
What an adventure! We found the map, we fought the mud, and we found the gold.
And we found a new friend.
Goodbye, Bessie! Stay safe!
You see, sometimes the path is difficult. Sometimes a monkey steals your map, but don't stop.
Because you never know where you will find your treasure or a helpful cow.